Welcome to the Simple Sandwich series. Today we're going to make a Jersey Shore Italian hero. First we're going to grab our loaf of bread. You could use a baguette or Italian bread. Slice it open, make sure it's fresh. Then we'll add our meats, starting with the hot Capicola, also known as the hot gabagool. Then salami. Then the prosciutto. Sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil on there along with some red wine vinegar, just so that it's able to soak into that top piece of bread. Add provolone cheese, iceberg lettuce, some salt, pepper, and oregano. Then add some onion, and finally some fresh tomato. Slice it in half so we can get a look at that cross section. How you doing? And enjoy. Like videos about sandwiches? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't like videos about sandwiches? Never visit this channel again.